Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl. We are back with another black canvas. I'm going to try something a little different today than what we did last time, although I am going to use the funnel again. But this time, I'm not going to use the fluorescent paints. I'm going to use other paints I've mixed up. And we are going to put in some coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil or dimethicone, very similar to silicone drops. And we are going to see what kind of response we get. Should be lots of cells. I'm not always crazy about cells. I kind of like lines without cells. And you probably know that from watching some of my other videos where I say, oh, look at the lines all the time. But this time I'm going for cells. We're just going to go for it. So here we have what the colors we're using. I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Green. This is Acrylic Fluorescent Violet. Okay, I lied, there is a fluorescent, but it wasn't one of the ones I used the last time with the last black canvas. Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Yellow and White, Artist Loft Silver, and Liquitex Basics Payne's Gray. So we're going to use those colors. We need about 20 ounces to cover this, and as I recall, the funnel did a fine job last time, so we will just use it again. The difference being that this time, in between every couple colors I put in there, I'm also going to add a squirt of this oil. We'll see what we get. So I'm going to start by putting down a little puddle for it to sit in. That sort of helps stop it up at the end there. And I will start layering my paint. Whoops, take the cap off that one. No particular order. Ready? Here we go. And now we tilt. Boy, there's a lot of oil on this. That's going to mean it's not going to be resined, but that's okay. Or it's going to take a lot of cleaning before I could cover it with resin. I'm just curious to see how the cells turn out. Yeah, this is definitely behaving differently than my normal paints, my non-oil paints. Okay. Well, it's interesting. Very, very interesting, very colorful. All right. I'll touch that one corner up myself. And I can see the pools of oil in it. Ew. Okay, let's give it a minute, see what develops. All right. Looks like we've had a little movement, not a whole lot. Okay, let's go in for our close-up. Okay, lower right corner, up the right-hand side. To the upper right corner, across the top, upper left corner, down the left side, that's pretty there. I certainly love the colors. To the lower left corner, across the bottom, and full frame. There you have it, folks. So what do you think of silicone? Yes, no? Well, in this case, dimethicone, but oil, lubricant oil. Do you like the cells? Do you not like the cells? Leave me a comment below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.